So my phone's stuck. It won't open. Galaxy Z Flip 4. Check this out. And I keep really good care of or take good care of it. There's a little part on the hinge. It's hard to record this with the camera. Let's see if I can hold it over here. So that hinge right there. Sorry for the linty mouse pad. It's bulging up. Shit. See that? And this little piece of rubber in the corner, it's like peeling the whole thing up. See that? And the farther I open the screen, and I noticed I was feeling around with my nail, and there's a little piece of rubber in there that like goes along the seam of the OLED, and it's sticking out right there. Anyway, just go over to T-Mobile and see if they can replace this. Actually, I don't even want the phone anymore. Cause I don't even go anywhere. I barely even travel with it. I had a case protector on it, and it just randomly stopped working. Get a good light on this. That little thing right there, that's actually rubber. See, it's all peeling out. I can push it back in with my nail. Yeah, sucks. I was actually pretty happy with the phone too, despite its kind of crappy battery life.